So yesterday we have did up to the third question of exercise 1.1, and now we are going to see the fourth question, exercise 1.1, question number 4. Is it visible to you, children?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we are given 3 sets A, B and C. So the question is, if A equal to 5, 6, B equal to 4, 5, 6 and C equal to 5, 6, 7. So you mute your audio, children. Mute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
So if A equal to 5, 6, B equal to 4, 5, 6, C equal to 5, 6, 7, show that A cross A equal to B cross B. So first we will write the given sets. Given A equal to mute the audio. A equal to 5, 6, B equal to 4, 5, 6 and C equal to 5, 6, 7. So first we are going to find out the left hand side, that is A cross A. A cross A equal to, the set A is 5, 6. So 5, 6 cross 5, 6. Let us take the cross product. So the elements will be 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 and 6, 6. We'll write the set of ordered pairs. 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 and 6, 6. Let us take this as 1. This is A cross A. Next, we are going to find out B cross B, C cross C. So, B cross B equal to, set B is 4, 5, 6 cross again set B. So, that is 4, 5, 6. Now, we have to take the Cartesian product, that is cross product. So, the set of ordered pairs 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. This is B cross B. Next, we have to find out C cross C. C cross C equal to, set C is 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 cross 5, 6, 7. So C cross C is 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 5, 7, 6, and 7, 7. Now, in the right hand side, we have to find out B cross B intersection C cross C. So we have to find out B cross B intersection C cross C. So intersection means we have to write the common elements of B cross B and C cross C. Now see here, what are the common elements of B cross B and C cross C? So here we go 4, 4, 4, 5. Here we don't have the elements have 4 as the first coordinate. 4 first coordinate வர elements எதுவுமே C crossல இல்ல, C cross C ல இல்ல. So we will check for 5, 4. Here we don't have 5, 4. Then 5, 5 is here. 5, 5. Then 5, 6. 5, 6 is also here. Then 6, 4. We don't have 6, 4. 6, 5. 6, 5 is here. Then 6, 6. 6, 6 is also here. So the common elements of B cross B and C cross C are 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So B cross B intersection C cross C equal to the set of ordered pairs 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, and 6, 6. Let us take this as 2. Now compare 1 and 2. In A cross A, we have 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, and 6, 6. In B cross B intersection C cross C also, we have 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So the LHS and RHS are equal. That is 1 equal to 2. So from 1 and 2, we can say A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So this only we want to show. So hence proved. Do you understand, children?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
We will see the 5th question. So the 5th question, given A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3, 5, C equal to... Then mute the audio, ma. Mute the audio. C equal to 3, 4. And D equal to 1, 3, 5. Check if A intersection C cross B intersection D equal to A cross B intersection C cross B is true. So given A equal to set 1, 2, 3, set B equal to 2, 3, 5, set C equal to 3, 4, and set D equal to 1, 3, 5. Check if A intersection C cross B intersection D equal to A cross B intersection C cross B is true. So let us do this problem. So first we have to write the given sets. Given A equal to 1, 3. B equal to 2, 3, 5. C equal to 3, 4. And D equal to 1, 3, 5. So first we are going to find out the left hand side. In that, first we have to find out A intersection C. Now A intersection C equal to set A is 1, 2, 3 intersection. Then the set C is 3, 4. So what are the common elements here? The common element is 3 only. So in A intersection C, we have 3 only. This is A intersection C. Next, we have to find out B intersection D. B intersection D. Set B is 2, 3, 5 intersection. Set D is 1, 3, 5. So here, what are the common elements? 3 and 5. In both the sets, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 are the common elements. So in B intersection D, we have 3 and 5. 3, 5. Next, we have to find out A cross C intersection B cross D. Sorry, A intersection C cross B intersection D. A intersection C cross B intersection D equal to A intersection C is 3. This is 3 cross. Then B intersection D is 3, 5. Now we have to take the cross product. That is 3, 3, 3, 5. So A intersection C cross B intersection D is set of ordered pairs 3, 3, 3, 5. Let us take this as 1. This is left hand side. Next, we have to find out the RHS, right hand side. In that, first we are going to find A cross B, then C cross D. So A cross B equal to set A is 1, 2, 3 cross set B is 2, 3, 5. So we have to take the cross product. That is equal to set of ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 3, and 3, 5. Next, we have to find out C cross D. C cross D. So the set C is 3, 4. Cross set D is 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. So the cross product is set of ordered pairs 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. Next, we have to find out A cross B intersection C cross D. C cross D. That is A cross B is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 3, and 3, 5. Intersection C cross B. C cross B is 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 3, and 4, 5. So we have to take intersection A cross B intersection C cross B. That is, we have to find out the common elements of A cross B and C cross B. So what are the common elements? Here we have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. So here we don't have elements having the first coordinators 1 and 2. So let us check this one. So here we have 3, 2. Here we don't have 3, 2. Here we have 3, 3. Here also we have 3, 3. Then here we have 3, 5. Here also we have 3, 5. So the common elements are 3, 3 and 3, 5. Now check it with A intersection C cross B intersection D. Here also we had 3, 3 and 3, 5. 3, 3 and 3, 5. So let us take this as 2. So here the left hand side and right hand side, that is 1 and 2 are equal. So from 1 and 2, we can write A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D is true. Do you understand, children?
Yes, miss.
Okay, then
Yes,
we will start second part of seventh question. Okay. Seventh question. Let A equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. So A equal to set of all natural numbers less than 8. B equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. C equal to the set of even prime number. Verify that the second part, A cross B difference C equal to A cross B difference A cross C. So once again, I will read the question. Let A equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. B equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. And C equal to the set of even prime number. Verify that second one, A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. So now we will do it. Given A equal to, what is given in A? The set of all natural numbers less than 8. So the set of natural numbers start from the number. Say the first.
One.
Very good. The set of natural numbers start from 1. So natural number less than 8 means which numbers will come there in set A? Say the natural numbers less than 8.
1 to 7.
1, 2,
Very good, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then B equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. Yesterday, I have taught you prime numbers. So what are prime numbers?
2, 5, 7.
First, we'll say the definition. What are prime numbers? Numbers that are only 2 divisors. That is 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. So now you say the prime numbers less than 8.
2,
2,
3, 5,
3,
7.
5,
3,
7.
7.
Very good. Then C equal to set of even prime number. Yesterday I have told you there is only one even prime number. Which is that even prime number?
2.
2. Very good. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay. So next we are going to prove the given question. In the left hand side we have A cross B difference C. So first we are going to find out B difference C. So what do you mean by B difference C? So the set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Difference set C, that is 2. So what do you mean by B difference C? So B difference C means elements in B but not in C. B la இருக்கணும் ஆனா C ல இருக்க கூடாது. அப்படிப்பட்ட எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் நம்ம எங்க எழுத முடியும்? B difference C ல எழுத முடியும். So B difference C is the elements in B but not in C. Then which elements will come under B difference C?
3, 5, 7.
3, 5, 7. Because 2 is in C. So we shouldn't write 2. The remaining elements are 3, 5, and 7. So B difference C equal to 3, 5, 7. Next, A cross B difference C. So the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross B difference C. That is 3, 5, 7. So we have to take the Cartesian product. That is the cross product. That is the set of ordered pairs 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, then 7, 3, 7, 5, and 7, 7. So this is A cross B difference C. A cross B difference C. Let us take this as 1. Next, we have to find out the RHS, that is right hand side. For that, first we have to find out A cross B. A cross B equal to set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now let us take the cross product. That is the set of ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, then 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, then 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, then 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, then 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, and 7, 7. So this is A cross B. Next, we have to find out A cross C. A cross C. That is, set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross. Set C is 2. So here the cross product is 1, 2, 2,
3,
2, 4, 2, 5, 2,
6, 2,
6, 2, and 7, 2. Next, we have to find out A cross B difference A cross C. So what is A cross B difference A cross C? Elements in A cross B, but not in A cross C. So A cross B ல இருக்கணும், ஆனா எதுல இருக்கக்கூடாது? A cross C ல இருக்கக்கூடாது. Now see here, the elements with the first coordinate as 1 are in A cross C. 1, 2, 1, 3, sorry, 1, 2 is here. So we won't write 1, 2. Then
1,
2, 2, 2. Here also we have 2, 2. So 2, 2 won't come. Then 3, 2. Here also we have 3, 2. 3, 2 won't come. Then 4, 2. Here also we have 4, 2. Then 5, 2. Here also we have 5, 2. Then 6, 2. Here also we have 6, 2. Then 7, 2. Here also we have 7, 2. So the common elements we won't write. So except the common elements, the remaining elements are, what are they?
1, 3,
5,
1, 5,
7. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Then 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Then
2, 3, 3.
mute your mic. 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, then 6, 3, 6, 5. Sorry, here I have written 6, 1, but 6, 1 is not an element. Okay. 6, 5, 6, 7, then 7, 3, 7, 5, and 7, 7. Let us take this as 2. Now, comparing 1 and 2. See, all the elements we have same elements. 1, 3. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Here also 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Then 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Here also 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Then 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Then 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Then 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So the LHS and the RHS are equal. So we can write from 1 and 2, we have A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. Hence verified. Okay, children, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have completed exercise 1.1.
Yes, ma'am.
We have completed 1.1. So you do the 6th question and the first part of the 7th question as homework. Okay, children. Next, we are
Okay,
going
Miss
to
ma'am.
see,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
next we are going to see relations. So what is a relation? First, we are going to see what is a relation. In Tamil, we say this is உறவுகள். தமிழ்ல வந்து இது உறவுகள்னு சொல்றோம். So we have relatives. Do we all have relatives? Do we all
Yes,
have relatives?
yes.
We all
Yes,
have
ma'am.
relatives. So
Yes, miss.
in maths, we are going to see relations. So here also, we are having two non-empty sets, A and B. So let us take two non-empty sets, A and B. We are going to define a relation R. The relation is denoted by the letter capital R. A relation we are going to define. So a relation R which is from A to B. A relation from R from A to B. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. So we have two non-empty sets A and B. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. That is, a relation is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B, satisfying some specific condition. Here, it has to satisfy some specific condition. Then only we can say that it is a relation of the Cartesian product. Okay, so let A and B be two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B satisfying some specific conditions. Specific conditions satisfy பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் நம்ம இது relation ன்னு சொல்றோம். So if X belongs to set A is related to Y belongs to set B through the relation R, then we write it as X related to Y. So X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R, then we can write this as X related to Y. So X related to Y if and only if the set of ordered pair, the ordered pair X comma Y belongs to capital R. X related to Y if and only if the ordered pair X comma Y belongs to the relation capital R. Okay, children. So let A and B be two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B satisfying some specific conditions. It should satisfy some specific conditions. If X belongs to A is related to y belongs to B, true or, then we write it as x related to y. And x related to y if and only if the ordered pair x comma y belongs to capital R. Let us see one example for this. Let us take two non-empty sets A and B. And let us take the set A as 1, 2, 3. And the set B as 2, 3, 4. And here the condition. We have one specific condition, the condition is the first coordinates of the element should be less than the second coordinate. The first coordinate of the element should be less than the second coordinate. So let us take the cross product A cross B. A cross B equal to, the elements are 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, and 3, 4. Then what condition I have told? The first coordinates should be, less than the second coordinate. X less than y. First coordinate should be less than the second coordinate. So say the elements which come under the relation first coordinate less than second coordinate. So 1 less than 2, 1 less than 3, 1 less than 4. So these three elements will come. Then here we have 2, 2. Both are equal. So we won't write 2, 2. Then 2 less than 3, 2 less than 4. Then here 3 greater than 2. So we don't write this. We don't write this. We don't write this also. So here the elements will be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, and 2, 4. Okay, children, do you understand up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the time is already over, I think. So with this, I will finish the class. We will see the continuation of relations in the next class. That is tomorrow. Okay, children?
Okay,
miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
Thank
miss.
you, children. Thank you,
Okay,
children.
miss.
Thank you,
Thank you,
children.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.